She did this and her nails grew in 7 days like never before. Having long, healthy nails is the desire of many girls, however this is not always possible. And is that sometimes due to harmful habits, poor diet, type of work or excessive use of nail polishes or poor quality products. Keeping nails healthy and beautiful can really become a titanic task. To achieve this and to wear an impeccable manicure, in addition to solving all bad habits that influence the image of the nails, it is possible to resort to some effective natural products with regenerating and moisturizing properties. If you are tired of those short and weak nails, in this video we explained how to grow your nails with this home remedy. Garlic. Garlic is one of the most famous natural ingredients to help our nails grow. There are many ways to apply it. One of the simplest is to crush 1 or 2 large garlic and place that paste on our nails for 10 minutes, if possible every day. This mixture is excellent to prevent the formation of bacteria, improve circulation, and grow nails naturally and quickly. Mixing the garlic with the lemon, you can make an excellent home remedy to grow the nails. Crush a large garlic clove and bring to a boil in a half cup of water. Once the liquid has boiled, remove it from the fire and wait for it to cool. Then, add a teaspoon of natural lemon juice, mix everything and pour it into an empty paintbrush. Apply the mixture every night before going to sleep. You will see how with the passage of the days your nails grow healthy and strong.